Happy Mail Queen. I have another haul for you guys. Like I said, I was behind on my haul videos, and last week I did a bit, not a bit, but a whole lot of shopping, it seems. And anyway, I've been kind of going back to Hobby Lobby just to see what else they have on clearance. And also wanted to get some ribbon because last week their ribbon were 50% off. So I did grab some. I'm crazy about gingham right now, you guys, because of Easter. So I did grab a few gingham. Now I do have this one already that I had purchased. But you don't get that much. You get 15 feet. So I did get another pink one. And I thought I'd go ahead and look for other gingham colors. And these are the ones I found. And these were 50% off. So I did get them for $1. So that's always a great deal. Found a couple of clearance items. One of them was this. Now I've seen this and I've passed it up and I've passed it up several times. But this time I decided to just get it. It's really cute, and who doesn't love berry baskets, right? And anyway, it was $2.50, and I didn't even know it was crepe paper. Not that that makes any difference, but they're normally $9.99, and I got it for $2.50, and it's for 2, so that's not bad at all. So it's a pretty good sized berry basket. So I finally just went ahead and picked it up. I was in the clearance section and I saw this and I thought, oh my gosh. I think like last month when Sophia and I were at a different Hobby Lobby, not the one near me, we saw these wax seals, and I know she said she had recently used hers, and I have a wax seal, but I can't find it. And I think it's just my initial, but I've had it for years and years, and it's this really tiny one. It's a small one, but I have it put away somewhere. But anyway, I remember when I saw these initially at Hobby Lobby, they weren't on sale. They were $15.99, and they had different ones. But now they're clearance for $4. Well, this was the only one, actually. I don't know if the other ones were clearance, but it's so cute. And I remember seeing this one right here in particular. It's a little cake, and I thought, oh, I have to grab it. So I went ahead and got it. This is like a couple of rings, I think. That's what it looks like to me. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to play with it and see. Sophia said, you know, the seals, I mean, they do look really cute. I've seen her use it, so I thought I'd try it for $4. Hey, why not, right? And then I was in the sticker section because their stickers were, they were 50% off. And I didn't see too many that I liked, but I ran into these. And I thought, oh, that is so cute. Look, I don't even have to die cut my little grass, you know, pieces and flowers, because I like the way this is already. So for those of you who don't have a grass die, you know, my recent projects that I've made with the baskets, the little tiny baskets, I had put grass on them on the outside to decorate it. These are great. Look. And you can cut them up. Now they are $2.99. When they go on sale, it's $1.50. But I thought it's still worth it because you can definitely cut them apart. I mean, you get this long strip, so you can definitely get a few tags out of it. You know, maybe a couple of baskets. Yeah, so I got this one, and then I love sunflower. That's one of my favorite flowers as well. I like a lot of flowers, but sunflowers make me smile, so I really do love them. And my aunt, once upon a time, had them in her yard, and I just thought they were the prettiest flowers. So these are cute because these have the fence, so it's just a different look. So how cute is this? You know, just to use as a, you know, a scene for your cards or whatnot. And then these are so pretty. These are a little more dimensional because they are layers and layers of, I think they're supposed to be tulips. And the butterflies. It's so cute. So anyway, just letting you guys know that they do have these at Hobby Lobby in case, you know, you want to know. And then I went there also to look for this paper because my BFF Erica had shared it. She's so funny because she's like, I was going to get that for your birthday. I'm so sorry, girl. But you know, whenever you show stuff, I have to run to the store and get it too because, you know, I'm always like, oh my gosh, I have to get it, you know. Because sometimes they don't stock these. Like this is Echo Park. They don't stock a whole lot of these. They'll probably have a couple of pads or three. I only saw two, so I grabbed one. You know, didn't want to miss out. And I did use my 40% coupon on these. Because I have a feeling when the 50% off sale happens that these will be one of the, you know, first ones to go. So what I love about this, it's double-sided. And it's very girly. So of course, I had to grab it. And you guys saw Erica do a flip through on these. And I want the 12 by 12, but honestly, I don't need any more 12 by 12s. Look how pretty. But I definitely do want the die cuts. So whenever I get a chance to do another girly project, it seems like, you know, I have a few papers that I want to use. It's just that holidays come along and then, you know, you're creating other things, and that's why I'm just like behind on the things that I really, really want to create. So really, really pretty, and it's called Fashionista, and I love it. So that is my Hobby Lobby haul. Very, very small. And, but anyway, I thought I'd just share with you guys in case you want to go ahead and grab some of these. This week, I think the sale is, they do have 50% off on papers, but I believe it's just the Paper Studio ones. So I guess the stickers might not be on sale. I've meant to do this video since last week, but I'm just, like I said, I'm like behind on my haul videos, and I'm not exactly going in order either. So anyway, you know how these sales are anyway. It's, you know, pretty much, what do I want to say? It goes in a cycle, right? Like if it's not on sale this week, it'll probably be on sale next week. So anywho, have a great week, you guys, and enjoy your Tuesday. I'll talk to you guys later.